Hello, this is Justin Follis, creator of Public Art Hamilton, which is located at www.publicarthamilton.com, and I'm here to show you what you can do on this new web page. The purpose of this web page is to help tourists that are visiting Hamilton or locals of Hamilton find an opportunity to visit all the beautiful art locations Hamilton has to offer. When you load the page in your browser, the first thing that will pop up is a dialog box asking if you want to share your location. If you select yes, your position will become a marker on the map with all the locations around you. If you select no, or the browser can't get your location, the map will still load with the public art locations on it, but a marker for your location will not be displayed on the map. The first thing we are going to do after we allow our location is filtering the markers on the map. On the top left of the web page, there is a navigation bar that displays 3 buttons named All Markers, Public Art Markers, and Monument Markers. I'm going to click the Monument Markers to display only monuments on the map around me. Next, I'm going to select one of the markers on the map. When I select one of the markers on this map, an info window will display with the information of that location, such as name, description, and 2 links for directions. Finding the directions to this location, I will click the Directions to Location link. This will open up a new page on Google Maps with your location and the location of where you want to go. Public Art Hamilton can be used on web browsers or mobile devices. When you swap to mobile, the view of the page will change to a different layout, but don't worry, the functionality stays the same as the desktop version. This has been a video demoing Public Art Hamilton. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and go check out the website for yourself.